Hello everyone. Hyderabad City Security Council today in this auditorium, when I was talking to Mr. Barney, Prashanti Madam, my department colleague, additional CP Traffic, Anil, Joint CP SB, Tarun, Joint CP and the host of this program, East Zone Ramesh, Joint CP West Zone Ayaz Srinivas, Traffic DCP Chauhan, Babu Rao, all my colleagues, all the partners, and most important, young boys and girls, interacting with each one of you, I was wondering that Hyderabad city, whether it is a challenge of corona, whether it is the issue of road safety, as the young girl in the video has very aptly narrated and taught her father, in every issue we are improving and improving very fast. Hyderabad City Security Council is very different from any other organization. In fact, if you see human living in big cities, it is very much different from what it was earlier. Earlier, urbanization was a small. Everyone was aware of the surroundings. Who is living, who are the neighbors, how far is the office, what is the traffic in between, who all are coming. But now with such massive urbanization with 1.3 crore population, this is the fate in every big city that unless and until you have a good system, you will not be very happy with so many things. Safety is not only for oneself, but safety is also to have a culture of safety. No matter how safe you are in driving vehicle, no matter if you are not drinking and driving, you are using seat belt, all these things will become failure if the other person is not doing that. If you are not drinking and driving, but other person, other side of the road is drinking and driving, again it is the same thing. If you are following the lane discipline, but the other person is not following the lane discipline, again you will sustain injury. So it is not just individual safety and security which will affect you, but it is the culture which is more important. And that is why, whether it is policing, whether it is traffic, whether it is education, whether it is health, in every aspect of social living, that community participation is very, very important. Unless and until each and every member of the community is aware of the responsibility, we will not reach to the desired goal. Then how to proceed? Education department will give education, but first education starts at home, in the lap of the mother. Similarly, police department will do all the work, but first policing should start at home. And I am always fond of giving this example whenever I interact with people. There was a very famous policeman in England who subsequently became the Prime Minister, Sir Robert Peel. He has written many articles about police, and the summary of all the article is in one sentence, one line. He said that every citizen is a policeman and every policeman is a citizen. And that is the crux of Hyderabad City Security Council. the aspiration, the dream, the ambition, the expectation of each and every citizen towards society as far as safety and security is concerned should get a proper manifestation. We are paid to do policing, but everyone is a police person. Everyone is a police person. Hyderabad City Police has 14,000 police officers, but Hyderabad City Police has 1 crore 20 lakh population. We want every household, 80 lakh household to have, every house will have one policeman. And that is how this concept of VCOP has come. Every house should have a cop. Cop is not just chasing a crime and chasing a criminal and catching a criminal. No. Cop is a concept which shows do what is right. Say no to what is wrong. That is the theme of being a cop. And this is something which our country has been lagging behind. We have to understand that unless and until, can the pollution in the society be stopped by just Pollution Control Bureau? No. Pollution will stop when each and every citizen will realize that what they should do and what they should not do. Can anyone become a very good student just because there are good educational department and schools and colleges? No. That effort has to come from home, from the family, from the individual. Everything, unless and until the community participates, gets integrated, the desired result will not come. And that is why I really take this opportunity to extend my gratitude and thanks to all of you who have participated, contributed, and encouraged us to carry forward this effort. And particularly, I thank Mr. Barney and Prashanti Madam. Piyush Agarwal has been a great help to all of us. I am sure with this collective effort, we will move forward. We will make Hyderabad the safest city in the country in each and every aspect. And when we say safest, the concept safest is not a static thing. It keeps on changing. If this year there are 50 road accidents on road, our target should be that next year it should be 20. Another next year it should be 10. And it should keep coming down and down and down. It will happen, it will definitely happen with the new generation like the girl who played the role of a cop here and all the boys who had come. It is our responsibility that when they take over the reins of the city, when they become adult, when they become the decision makers, they should be happy that yes, they have inherited the city which is much safer than before. That is how mankind, human being has evolved. There are many evils, many negative things which were happening earlier, which is not happening now. It is only because the successive generation, they have made effort to make it better, to make it improved and improved. So I once again thank all of you for coming here, spending your valuable time and showing this solidarity about the collective consciousness that we should have a better Hyderabad. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.